Good morning. This is Dr. Philip Schalow at the Upper Cervical Care Center in Rockford, Illinois. And I'm here with my good buddy Albrecht Dürer, who is a medieval artist. Look at how closely he studied his hands. We're into studying movement. And I wanted to bring to your attention one of the events that we're doing real soon, July 13th, 2022. At 5:30 in the evening here at the office on movement. We're going to take a look at how we can interfere with our health through moving incorrectly. And I want to show you some really simple little things to rebuild that. We don't want to concentrate too much on what we're doing wrong. We want to concentrate on how to repattern things, how to rebuild things, how to restore things. That's what we believe in. And so sign up for that. Come to that July 13th at 5:30 in the evening. Nice little workshop. Thanks very much.